Can I learn English from ChatGPT? Introduction. In this video, we are going to explore whether you can learn English using ChatGPT. We will talk about what ChatGPT is, how it helps in learning English, what kind of support it can give, and how you can make the most of it for improving your English skills. By the end of the video, you'll clearly understand how ChatGPT can be your partner in your English learning journey. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced AI language model designed to understand and respond to human language. It's like a smart assistant that can talk with you, explain things, and even guide you through lessons. Unlike a human teacher, ChatGPT is available all the time and can respond instantly to your questions. You don't need to go to a classroom or follow a fixed schedule. You can learn anytime you want. How ChatGPT helps in learning English. There are many ways ChatGPT can support your English learning. Let's look at some of them. 1. Practice conversations. One of the most important parts of learning English is speaking. With ChatGPT, you can practice conversations every day. You can choose topics, ask questions, or even do role plays. This helps in improving fluency and building confidence. 2. Learn new vocabulary. ChatGPT can teach you new words along with their meanings, pronunciation tips, and example sentences. It can also help you remember the words by using them in short stories or dialogues. You can ask ChatGPT to explain words in a simple way, which is great for beginners. 3. Improve grammar. Understanding grammar rules can be hard, especially when studying alone. ChatGPT can break down grammar topics like tenses, active-passive voice, or prepositions in an easy-to-understand way. You can ask for examples, exercises, or even quizzes to test yourself. Get corrections. If you write something in English, ChatGPT can check it and tell you what's wrong. Whether it's a short paragraph, an email, or a story, ChatGPT can help improve your writing by suggesting better words or correcting grammar mistakes. Learn pronunciation. Even though ChatGPT doesn't speak like a voice assistant, it can help you with pronunciation by showing you how to say words phonetically and giving you tips on where to stress the syllables. You can also pair ChatGPT with a text-to-speech tool to hear the correct pronunciation. 6. Daily English practice. Consistency is key to learning any language. ChatGPT can help you create daily routines and study plans. For example, you can ask for a 30-minute daily English practice schedule, and it will give you a balanced plan, including speaking, reading, vocabulary, and grammar. Why it works well for self-learners. Many people want to learn English but don't have the time or money to attend regular classes. ChatGPT is a free and flexible tool that can act like a personal tutor. It's perfect for self-learners because you can study at your own pace. You can focus on the areas you need the most help with. You can repeat lessons as many times as you want. You don't feel judged for making mistakes. This makes ChatGPT a comfortable and supportive learning environment. Custom learning with ChatGPT. ChatGPT doesn't follow one fixed style. It adjusts to your level. If you're a beginner, you can ask it to use simple English. If you're advanced, you can ask for complex vocabulary and grammar. You can also tell it how you prefer to learn through stories, examples, lists, or quizzes. For example, if you say, I want to learn past tense verbs through stories. ChatGPT will create short stories using past tense verbs and explain how they are used. You can also ask it to make a quiz after each story to test your understanding. Interactive and fun learning. Learning becomes easier when it's fun. You can turn your English practice into games or challenges with ChatGPT. Try the following ideas. Word games, like guessing the word from a clue. Grammar puzzles. Vocabulary challenges. Role-playing situations like job interviews or travel conversations. These activities keep you interested and help you remember better. Limitations you should know. Even though ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's important to know its limits. No real-time speaking practice. It cannot speak or listen to your voice directly, so for speaking fluency and pronunciation, you may need to use other tools like voice recognition apps or practice with humans. No emotions or real feedback. A human teacher can notice your facial expressions, your tone, and your comfort level. ChatGPT can't do that, so sometimes it may not know when you're confused or struggling. Internet and English needed. You need basic English and internet access to use ChatGPT. It's not helpful if you don't understand any English at all or if you cannot access the internet. However, these problems can be handled if you use ChatGPT along with other tools or find speaking partners to practice. Tips for using ChatGPT to learn English. Here are some useful tips to get the most out of ChatGPT. Be specific in your questions. For example, instead of asking, "Explain grammar," ask, "Explain how to use present perfect tense." Use it regularly. Daily use gives the best results. Mix different skills. Practice writing, reading, vocabulary, and grammar together. Set learning goals. Tell ChatGPT what you want to achieve, like, "I want to speak fluently in 3 months." Ask for review quizzes. This helps to check what you've learned. Can beginners use it? Yes, beginners can definitely use ChatGPT. If you feel shy or unsure in front of other people, ChatGPT can be your first teacher. You can start with simple sentences and increase the level slowly. You can even ask it to explain things in your native language if needed. Can advanced learners use it? Absolutely. Advanced learners can ask for deeper topics like essay writing, business English, or even idioms and advanced grammar. You can ask for help with CV writing, emails, or interview preparation as well. Final words. In this video, we talked about how ChatGPT can help you learn English. We discussed how it can assist with vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation, writing correction, and more. We also looked at the benefits of using it daily, especially for self-learners, and shared a few things to keep in mind. Conclusion. So, can you learn English from ChatGPT? Yes, you can. It's a helpful, smart, and always available tool that can support your English learning in many ways. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced learner, ChatGPT can guide you step by step. With regular practice and the right questions, it can become your daily English partner and help you grow in confidence and skill. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember you can improve your English, one conversation at a time.